So this is the case of the MCQ for statement of comprehensive income. The first question says, wages paid, what are wages? The amount you get weekly. Because we are working for a company or because we are an employee. So wages paid to production workers is an example of which of the following? Current assets. What are current assets? Current assets are assets that doesn't last more than 6 months. They can't last more than a year with the business. Example of current assets are stocks. These are assets that do not last. So example of current assets are stocks, debtors, cash, and bank. So these are examples of current assets, so it's not the answer. I think that is clear. B, finance cost. I told you what finance cost is. The interest paid on savings, on borrowing, is your finance cost. You have financed the business, but you might have financed it through loans, so you have to pay interest. So interest paid on loan is called finance cost. I think that is clear. We talked about that before. The third one, business expense. What is business expense? It doesn't have any business. It doesn't have any business expense. It's nothing. Then we have cost of sales.
Which one is that?
The answer is D. Cost of sales. So cost of sales are what the amount you spend in the cost of making sure the product is made available for sale. And look at the question. The question says wages paid to production workers. And we said cost of sales are what? The amount spent to ensure that the product is made available for sale. So there's production, which means a product is being made. So who made this product? The workers, they are paid for that. So the answer is D. Is it clear, please? Is it clear, please?
Yes.
Question 2. It said, the business has revenue of 239,500 and cost of sales. Cost of sales 154,000. This gives us our gross profit. 85,000. Yeah, 85,500. Then it said, and expenses of 65,000. Operating expenses, right? Operating expenses. 65,000. This gives us 0.05 to 20,500 as our operating profits.
So that's the answer.
So the answer is A. I think that's clear.
Yes.
The third one said a statement of comprehensive income might be used to do which of the following? A statement of comprehensive income, which is what we're talking about, profit or loss account. Calculate labor turnover. Labor turnover is not calculated through. Labor turnover is about productivity. It is not statement of profit and loss account. Labor turnover is what? Productivity. Help make investment decisions. Yeah, we said one of the advantages of using, or one of the importance of having a comprehensive income is to take decisions about the business. So the answer is B.
So
let's check the other ones.
The most one have profit, you can go invest there.
Yes, you can invest more, you can fund it. If not, you stop.
Yes.
They said measure the value of assets in the business. The measurement of value of assets in the business, you get that through the statement of financial position, not here. Calculate the liquidity ratio through the statement of financial position. You have the asset ratio, the liquidity ratio, but not in the statement of comprehensive income. We calculate our liquidity or asset ratio through the statement of financial position, where we have our assets and liabilities with capital. So the answer is B. And the last one said, which of the following is a function of profit? What is profit? The return on the investment. So why do we have to make profit? What is the importance of profit? That is the question. A measure of global economic success? No. Used to calculate the break-even point? No. For break-even point, we're not going to talk about profit. Break-even point is calculated to know the level of output that a business can reach where its total cost. I'm talking here, you guys are. Where the total cost will equal to the total revenue. That is what break-even is. And the last one, measure of labor product. No, measure the business performance. Yes. The business performance is about the success of the business. So that is why we need to know profit. The answer is C. And the last one says measure of labor productivity. It is not. Just like labor turnover. It is not. So the answer is C. Is it clear?
Yes.
That's all.
Yeah.
Stop the video.